Hello, beautiful people, and welcome to the Double Take Duo. I usually record with Estefania, but unfortunately, she could not make it. Oh my gosh, to the studio today. So I just decided to come in and record by myself, and I've been having a lot of fun. I think I'm getting more comfortable recording by myself and just talking to the camera because at first it was a little intimidating and it was just harder to chat about things because you're literally in the room by yourself. But I'm getting used to it and I'm having so much fun. And I just know that you guys interact with us in the comments. So it's almost like, I pretend like all of you guys are there. And that way I can keep it a little conversational. But, anyways, I decided to react to ACDC. I love them so much. Rock and Roll Ain't Noise Pollution official video. I have heard of ACDC before and we've reacted to a few songs by them. It used to be one of my parents' favorite bands. I think it still is right now. I haven't heard this song before though, so I'm really excited to react to something new. But I've definitely heard they're more. I don't know how popular is this one actually. It might be super popular. I'm not sure, but a few other ones that I know of, and yeah, I just kind of. It's always so fun. It's so good. They're just so legendary. They're like the OGs, and I don't think anyone will come even close to them. And they're like a true definition of rock and roll. Um, kind of what the song is about, I guess. I decided to look up some info, and ACDC wrote the song in response to London clubs facing potential bans due to noise complaints. So the guitarist Malcolm Young explains they wanted to ban them, so we'd gone in with 9 tracks and we needed another song. So that's how it came to be, which is really cool. I love that. Perfect response. And the song's title predates the music. As singer Brian Johnson said, the title was already written and it was more anthemic than anything else. And Rock and Roll Ain't Noise Pollution was actually the final track written for the Back in Black album, completing the 10-song set. So that's really cool. It was released in 1980. So I'm super excited to check it out. Let's do it.
Alright. Hey there, all you middlemen! Throw away your fancy clothes! And while you're out there sitting on the fence, so get off your ass and come down here! 'Cause rock and roll ain't no riddle, man. To me, it makes good sense! Good sense! Yeah, let's go! Happy decibels are playing on my guitar. We got vibrations coming up from the floor. We're just listening to the rock that's giving too much noise. Are you deaf? You wanna hear some more? Watch us talking about the future, forget about the past. It'll always be with us. It's never gonna die. Never gonna die. Rock and roll ain't noise pollution. Rock and roll ain't gonna die. Rock and roll ain't noise pollution.
I love it. So, so, so good. But like such an epic response to the noise ban. Like I love it. 12 out of 10. Amazing.
Rock and roll ain't noise
Oh my god, so good. I always get so much energy like listening to them. They're just such an incredible band. I really do think they're so legendary and I just love them. I know they're Australian and I know they're actually giving a tour this year. They're gonna be giving a concert in Denver, Colorado in I think it's June or July. So my parents are gonna go. I'm also kind of thinking of joining them because I don't know if I have any friends that listen to ACDC, but how epic will that be? Like, I just would love to be there and feel this energy. Rock and roll at its finest, at its best. I I really enjoy his voice. I think it's so unique, but also all the instrumentals, like just the drums and the guitars. Oh, it sounds so nice. It sounds so good. And I don't know the name of that guitar player, but I know it's his signature to wear like a jacket, a suit jacket with shorts. Guys, is it Australian? Like, is it an Australian thing to do? It's pretty unique. I think I've seen it a few times at the derby party or like some summer events. Some guys show up with like suit jacket and shorts, which is kind of weird to me. I mean, it's perfect for stage and performances. I don't know if I like it in like real life. I would lean towards no than yes. But I wonder if it's an Australian thing. I wonder if that's how it originated to be. But whenever he plays guitar, he usually like headbangs, and I cannot imagine doing it for hours. I'd get dizzy. I will get seriously dizzy. But they all rock and roll. They all rock and roll, baby. Love them. Incredible. And yeah, now I feel like I'm just gonna get my ticket and crash my parents' date and just third wheel and tag along. Anyways, please let me know what else I should react to by them. What are some of your favorites? And have you guys ever attended their concert? If so, please share your experience. I'd be curious to read it before I attend or if I decide to attend this summer. Hopefully, I can make it. Anyways, if you enjoyed it, please leave me a like, subscribe, and hope you guys enjoyed their performance as much as I did. Thanks for joining me today, guys. I'll see you in the next one.